So what we're going to do is a calibration of the HandySCAN Black Elite. So the first thing you need to do is just go up into the top right corner and click on the calibration button. Then just pick up the scanner, register the barcode first, and then once that's registered, then you just need to take 10 measurements up from the plate, and then one from each angle, left, right, forward and back. It's as quick as that, and then you get a reading. It's very accurate. So the next step is we're going to collect the targets. So you just use the drop down in the top left corner for the scanner, select capture positioning targets, and then you just hold the scanner about 300 millimeters away from the part, or the table I mean, and just wave over it. Typically we start in the center of a part and then work your way out to the edges, and that would just ensure that the volumetric accuracy of the target collection is more accurate. And you can see those dots accumulating on the screen here. And once we've registered the table, we're going to place our part onto the table and then get scanning. Just press stop on collecting the targets, then we're going to switch to scan mode. And at this point here we can decide like what sort of resolution we want to capture the part at. So I'm going to put in 0.4 and you can hit apply. For the finalize scan parameters down in the bottom corner here, we can set that to custom. And then if we scroll down a little bit, we can say what sort of like optimization we want to have done to the mesh even before pressing stop. So we want reduce noise low and auto decimate, so we'll put some larger triangles in the larger surface areas, and then it will leave small triangles where the where there's not much detail. Sorry, it will leave small triangles where there's a lot of detail. And we definitely want optimize volumetric accuracy ticked as well. Okay, and then we are ready to scan. So you just hit the scan button. You can either hold down press the scan button or hold down the button on the back of the scanner. And then what we can do is just place the part on top of the table. And then just tap the back of the scanner and it will just start to scan. So you get like a real-time preview as you're scanning. It will just build up the triangles as you move and sweep over it. There's also like a distance meter on the scanner, so on the back of the scanner you can see it's green if you're at a good distance. If you're too close it will go red, and if you're too far away it will go blue. And you can also see on the laser lines on the actual 3D preview that you get to see the distance meter as well. So too close and too far, and displayed in colour on the laser lines. At any time you can just tap the back of the scanner and just pause it, so you can go have a break or move your position and continue on. You just keep waving over and over top of the scan data. The other benefit about Creaform scanners is that you can go over and over the same area more than once, and it will only ever create a single surface mesh. It won't create multiple scans that you then have to try and like merge together. You only get a single surface, and it's a very clean surface. So you can see it's quite a shiny part. So what we've done is we've used a little bit of A-sub blue 3D scanning spray. So I'll just go and grab that. And And the A sub blue is perfect for just, really shiny areas. You just spray it on and then it will evaporate after a period of time. So yeah, it just makes those really shiny areas easy to capture. The HandySCAN Black can do a really great job of capturing shiny areas, but sometimes spray just makes it faster and a little bit easier. So the other benefit to the HandySCAN Black is that the Elite model has a single laser line. So if you double tap on the back of the scanner, it will switch to a single laser, and that means it switches also to a single lens, and that makes it easier to get into those hard to reach areas. So you can see here we're just getting into those hard to reach areas and just collecting that data. And then you just double tap the back of the scanner again and it flicks back to all 11 laser mode.